Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about two different highways that are being built in Drax Hall or the St. Anne area. We did a video the other day and a lot of people were asking if it's two different highways or if it's the same highway that's being built. So we're going to go through it today. So you have the Northern Coastal Highway, which runs from Negril all the way back to Port Antonio. That's the existing main road on the north coast. It's 2 lanes. That's the Northern Coastal Highway. Now, from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, which is the busiest corridor for that highway, it's going to be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So that's one highway. So that will be those 4 lanes will go by Drax Hall. Now the second highway is a toll road, which goes from Kingston to Miami Bay. That's the North-South Highway. It is also called the Edward Seaga Highway, and that's a toll road. It currently ends in Miami Bay, but the government is going to be expanding that road from Miami Bay to Discovery Bay. So it's going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway. It's going to look just like the highway we're driving on now. Now, that means certain areas will have 8 lanes of highway quality road in Jamaica. The area of Drax Hall will have 2 highways. The North-South Highway, which is a toll road, and the Northern Coastal Highway, which is the regular road that's going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. It's going to be upgraded to a highway quality road, but you don't have to pay toll to use it. Now, I'm not sure why NROC was put in charge of the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway. But I think what confused a lot of people is originally the Northern Coastal Highway, the non-toll road, that's the one from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios now. They had planned to build 2 bypasses for Discovery Bay and Runaway Bay. Maybe it was always the intention for those bypasses to be a part of the toll road because, as we said, NROC was put in charge of it. But it is now stated that, or it is planned, that the Runaway bypass will be a part of the toll road and the Discovery Bay bypass will be a part of the toll road. So I'm not sure what's going to happen with the expansion of the Discovery Bay and the Runaway Bay. There should be enough space to get 4 lanes going through the towns. Also, another important question to ask is, when these toll roads are being built, it's in the contract that they're not supposed to have competing roads. In certain sections, you cannot have a new railway to compete with the toll road. Because if you have a free road, that's 4 lanes, dual carriageway, first world quality road, why would you pay toll to use the highway? But we'll see how it plays out in the Drax Hall area. Maybe the North Coast has a lot of traffic. Drax Hall is the fastest growing area in Jamaica, and it's still growing. Discovery Bay is growing. Runaway Bay especially is growing. Thousands of homes, tens of thousands of homes are going up in St. Anne. The amount of mega developments taking place. So maybe that's why they are going to have 8 lanes in this area. So we'll keep you guys updated on these developments, and According to the government, the plans are very advanced for both roads. I think they're actually they're raising funds now, or looking to put the funds together to build these roads. So we'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.